A prospect lands on your website, your AI agent sits quietly in the corner. The prospect scrolls, reads for 30 seconds, then leaves. You just lost a qualified lead because your AI never started the conversation. AI agents with proactive messaging get 3 times more conversations than agents that wait for visitors to click. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up proactive messages with starter button options in MagicBlocks that automatically engage visitors and drive more bookings without you lifting a finger. Let's get into it. Before we configure the proactive settings, we can create the message and buttons that will appear when your chat opens automatically. Go to Agents in your MagicBlocks dashboard and select the agent you want to edit. On the left sidebar, click on Journey. You'll see your journey blocks: hook, align, personalize, pitch, and action. Get in touch. Click on the hook block. This is where your conversation starts. So this is where we'll set up what appears when the chat opens proactively. You'll see 2 tabs at the bottom: Basic and Advanced. Click on Advanced. On the Advanced tab, click First Action. This controls what happens when someone first opens your chat widget. You'll see several options here: Auto Message, Send Message, Run Task, Show Form, and Show Button. Click on Show Button. Now you'll see 3 sections: Message Before, your button options, and Message Below. Start with Message Before, click Insert Snippets, or type directly in the text field. This is your opening hook. Instead of generic text like, "How can I help you?" say something specific like, "Hey, before we start, please pick one of the options below." For a property agent, you might say, "Looking to rent or buy? Pick what you're after." For a mortgage broker, you might say, "Ready to get started? Choose your goal." The key is to be conversational and direct them to click a button. Now let's create the buttons. Click on Add Button. You'll see fields for button label and action. The button label is what the user sees. Keep it short and action-oriented. Examples: book a viewing, get pricing, talk to sales, see properties. Under Action, click the drop-down and select Switch Journey. This is important. Each button will take the user to a different journey block based on their intent. Click Select from Journey Blocks and choose which block this button should trigger. For example, if someone clicks Book a Viewing, you might send them to the Pitch and Action block where your booking calendar lives. Add a second button. Click Add Button again. For the label, you might put Ask a Question or Get Estimate. Then select a different journey block for the action. You can add 2 to 4 buttons. Don't overload it. Keep it simple so prospects can make a decision quickly. Now, your starter buttons are ready. Let's make them appear proactively. Now go back to the left sidebar and click on General. You'll see several options: Persona, Key Facts, Actions, Guardrails, and Settings. Click on Settings. Then click on Advanced. This is where all your proactive messaging settings live. You'll see main options here: Proactively open small message, proactively open fully chat window, proactively open small message shows a small preview bubble with your message, like a notification in the corner. The visitor can click to expand the full chat. Proactively open fully chat window opens the entire chat widget automatically, taking up part of the screen. More aggressive, but higher engagement. Most agents start with the small message option because it's less intrusive but still highly effective. Click the toggle next to Proactively Open Small Message to turn it on. Now you'll see a field appear. Set your delay time in seconds. This controls how long the system waits after someone lands on your page before showing the proactive message. The default is 4 seconds, which works well for most businesses. This gives the visitor just enough time to start reading your page before the AI engages them. Set your delay time and move to the next option. Scroll down to Proactively Open Fully Chat Window. This option is more aggressive. Instead of just showing a small bubble, it opens the entire chat widget automatically. If you toggle this on, you'll see 2 settings. First, the delay time in seconds. Second, the display option. Desktop, mobile, or both. If you turn this on, set the delay to 2 seconds and decide where you want this to show. Now we're going to make sure this actually works. Go to Test in the top right corner. This opens your test chat window, but here's the trick. To test proactive messages, you need to simulate a real visitor experience. Close the chat window completely, then wait for the delay time you set. After 4 seconds, or whatever delay you configured, you should see your proactive message appear automatically, either as a small bubble or as a full chat window, depending on what you enabled. Check that the message appears at the right time. Check that your message before text is correct. Check that your button options show up as clickable buttons. Click through each button and verify they trigger the right journey blocks. AI agents with proactive messaging and starter button options get 3 times more conversations than passive chat widgets because they don't wait for visitors to click. They start the conversation automatically and guide them into the right path immediately. Ready to build an AI sales agent that starts conversations automatically? Head to magicblocks.ai and create your first agent for free.